The Thailand-Cambodia conflict heats up, Indonesia confident it can be resolved peacefully. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to the Remajamesjid channel. The Indonesian government, through the Ministry of Foreign Affairs Kemlu, continues to monitor the ongoing conflict between Thailand and Cambodia. Kemlu is confident that the issue between these two neighboring Southeast Asian countries can be resolved peacefully. Indonesia is closely following developments along the Thailand-Cambodia border. We believe that as neighboring countries, both nations will return to peaceful means to resolve the differences, the ministry stated on its official X account, Friday, July 25, 2025. Kemlu explained that both Southeast Asian nations understand the principles reflected in the ASEAN Charter. The ministry also expressed confidence that the two countries are aware of the Treaty of Amity and Cooperation. In line with the principles enshrined in the ASEAN Charter and the Treaty of Amity and Cooperation, Kemlu added, the government will continue to monitor Indonesian citizens (WNI) residing in Cambodia and Thailand to ensure their safety. The government of the Republic of Indonesia will also keep monitoring the safety and whereabouts of Indonesian citizens living in affected areas, Kemlu stated. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.